How to fix Google Play Music not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Play Music not working problem. So guys, I will show you how to fix it. So let's go to the phone settings, and then you have to go to install apps or app manager. I will go to install app because I have install apps option, and then let's search for Google Play Music. Here is it. Click on Google Play Music, and then guys, you can see here force stop button. Click on force stop and you have to press OK, and then click on storage and you have to click on clear data and just click on clear data and press OK. Now go back, and then you can see here app permission. Click on app permission and you have to allow all the permission here. Now guys, go back, restart your phone and reopen the device. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.